Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook Andrews Cooking Channel, I would like to wish you and your families a happy Thanksgiving. Now, this year I did cook a little bit of something. Well, a few things actually. I made 15 items this year, so it's not like how it is in the past where I was doing 30 to 40 items. Ooh, thank goodness. But yeah, we're going to get to that in just a second, but there is a few things I would like to share and some news. This really ain't nothing really. It ain't like if I tell you something, you're like, oh my goodness, no. No, it ain't that. Okay. So, anyways, got my little list here, so let's get started. So, some of you may not realize this, or not some do, some don't, but this year makes 10 years since I started my YouTube channel. Now, my very first video release was for the Crawfish Pasta. Hello, everybody. I'm Charlie the Cook Andrews, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious crawfish pasta. Now, crawfish pasta is a New Orleans recipe, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to make it. So, let's get started, shall we? I'll have the link to that video in the comment section and the description box if you want to check that video out. That was my very first video. And so I remember someone asked me, why did I release the video? I don't know. I would say that it was one of the first things I learned how to cook as far as seafood goes. And it was simple, I still can't believe it's been 10 years. Oh my goodness. Where has the time gone? And then afterwards, I did some garlic bread. I did some baked pork chops. I did the red beans and rice, and the banana bread. Yeah, just all over the place. but over time, I started getting my little self together, and just because in the beginning, I just did the videos, and that's all I knew how to do. I know how to do the videos and show, hey, today I'm gonna show you how to make my delicious New Orleans red beans and rice, and stir all your ingredients together and all that other stuff, Yeah, so, but over time, my channel's progression, I really love the way everything just went by very slow. It wasn't quick. I didn't blow up or anything like that. No, I don't want that. So it's been a wonderful journey, and I'm grateful for it. And thank you. I'm just very grateful and thankful to get an opportunity to be able to, even after 10 years, to be able to even still be able to release videos for you all, because I didn't expect to be doing videos this long. It just was yeah, I'm gonna do a little cooking videos, yeah, do post this every once in a while, and yeah. So anyways, so with that being said, I would like to thank all 400, and I think I'm close to about 420 if I'm not there already, all 420,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness. I'm hugging the air button. Everyone who has watched all my videos, that has supported me throughout the last 10 years, the people that liked, disliked, the people that left good comments, the people that left not so good comments, the people that left the critique, the people that gave suggestions, even though 90% of the time okay, I know. The sharing of my videos, because like when I post something, oh, this is great. Oh, I'm going to share this with my sister, my brother, my auntie. Oh, they loved y'all. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's great, you know? And I hope that's everything. And lastly, the donations. With that being said, thank you all so very much for everything throughout these last 10 and a half, it's almost 10 and a half years. Yeah. Thank you all so very much. I really appreciate each and every last one of y'all. I'm so sorry, y'all. I wanted to say this. Even the people that are not subscribed to my channel that enjoy my videos, because some people, are subscribed, but there are some people that are not subscribed that enjoy my videos as well. Got to thank those too, because guess what? They're subscribed by heart. They might not be subscribed, but Yeah, yeah, subscribe back. Oh, that's right. Yeah, so thank you all so very much. I really, really appreciate it. All right, anyways, let's talk about Thanksgiving. I did not because people was asking me, Charlie, you gonna do a Thanksgiving video this year? Charlie, I'm looking forward to you doing this Thanksgiving this year. You know, I liked the one last year, but this one, I gotta have one this year. Well, people been asking me comments and messages, emails, and guess what? I didn't do one this year because, you know, I just needed to take a break. I had done 3 of them, and those videos are way over an hour. So, whew, so it's a lot of work. And this year, I just said, you know what? I want to take a break. And that's exactly what I did. Well, I'll talk about that a little bit later. Anyways, I just wanted to just take a year off, and then got some good news though. Y'all ready? I have worked on a brand new Thanksgiving video, and this new Thanksgiving video will be released in 2024. Yeah! I know some of y'all probably excited. Yeah! Woo! You know. Don't get too excited now, but yes, there is a new Thanksgiving video, preparation video that will be released for 2024. And guess what? This is going to be my 4th Thanksgiving preparation video. So I'm very, very honored to be able to do this for you all, and I'm very excited about it. So yeah, so y'all want to stay tuned for that, okay? All right, let me look at my paper now so I can look at the rest of this. Now, I want to talk about this too because I think I talked about this in past videos. Some people have been sending me, leaving comments, messages, and emails saying that they haven't been getting notifications about my videos. And I'm like, oh, well, I wonder what's going on here. Now, I just want to let y'all know that my channel has always been a holiday channel. So during the year, you might not see me as much on your feeds or in your timelines or whatever. But during the holidays is where it really, really happens here on Charlie the Cook Andrews YouTube channel. So, but I do content throughout the year, 52 or possibly more videos a year. So, if you want to stop by, Charlie the Cook Andrews, all together, no spaces, Charlie Andrews on YouTube. I release a new video every Friday at 1 p.m. Sometimes it might be a little later, 2 or 3, between 1 and 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sometimes I might release a video on Saturday as well. And also you got to keep in mind that hurricane season, June 1st to November, so anything could happen during that time. So power could go out, I can't do video. So yeah, but other than that, that's the way you can keep up with me. Oh, and I also want to talk to y'all about this too, about the glitches and spam that's been happening on Facebook and on Instagram. I don't know what's been going on there, but I take it they be having these it's a lot of spam that's been on there now, and on Instagram too. Lately it's kind of been a little bit less on Instagram, but I know on Facebook it's still on there. Where they have these people, they have these profiles, and they get leaving these long messages. Don't respond to that. Don't click on no links because it might have malware on there. So I just want to warn everybody about that. I know they did try. I know they did have some on YouTube at one point, but I think they got rid of that. But for the most part, yeah, I just wanted to warn everybody about that too. And the glitches on Facebook, sometimes because I respond to all my comments, even after 10 years later, I always respond to my comments. So on Facebook, there's an issue on there where I can't respond to all my comments. I go down to see more comments, I just click, I'm like, oh, okay, all right, I'm just gonna leave it at that. So if I missed your comment on Facebook, I'm sorry. I mean, I tried, you know. And yeah. Oh, and I also want to let y'all know that it's just the same way as it's always been in the past. Because normally during the holidays, I'm usually really busy, especially during the Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays. is really busy with cooking and stuff like that. So, and I know some people really might need my help with responses to messages. Oh, I need the help with this recipe, that. Oh, what happens if I don't cook my chicken thoroughly? How do I make my chicken stock and my shrimp stock? Well, I'm not going to always be available. Sometimes it might take a few hours. Sometimes it might take a day. It might take 2 days. But we'll get back to you as quickly as I can. I try, but it be hard sometimes. Lastly, just wanted to talk to you all about there's a new donation method that is on YouTube. Instead of having to donate on the website or on PayPal or anything, you could donate on every last one of my videos. And this is how you do it. Just a little demonstration to show you what to do. Okay, now here is my latest video for New Orleans stuffed melitons with shrimp, ham, and crab meat. But that's not the focus, okay? All right, so this is on every last one of my videos, this payment method here. All right, so over here in the bottom right-hand corner, they have three little dots over here, little icon. You click on that, and you hit thanks. It's going to take you to this little thing here. This little page is going to pop up. Thank Charlie Andrews. Buy Super Thanks, which directly supports Charlie Andrews. Not, like I said, it's on every last one of my videos. So you can edit this here. You could write whatever kind of, I think you could write any kind of message. Okay, yeah, that's what that is. Okay. And I think, yeah, I think that you don't have, I think that's what it is. I think you can't really put any dollar amounts or anything. So that's what they're going to give you in thanks. I don't know if you could really put anything in there or not. Oh, okay, I see now. Okay, so right here, when you click on this, they have 15, 20, 25, 30, oh, 50. Okay, I thought it was, oops. You want 75, 100, 200. Ooh. Wait a second. Oh, damn. Wait a minute. Let me go back here. All right, let's go back. $2. So if you hit this, one of these dots, and they'll give you just show you the amount of money you want to use, and you just click on that, and from there you just click buy and send. Another page is gonna pop up, so you complete your purchase. Super thanks, $20. You add your payment method. You could add a credit card, a debit card, or add PayPal, and from there you click buy, and after that, there you go. It's just that simple. All right, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that little preview. And remember, donations is only for people who want to donate. Hey, Charlie, I made your gumbo recipe and it was fantastic. I want to donate. I want to contribute a little something. Sure, no problem. Da 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 da. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate the donation. And that's basically it. Yeah. But, anyways, it's time for the food presentation. I know y'all ready for that, huh? But anyways, here is the food presentation, and I hope you all enjoyed the preview. Here's all the food that I cooked for Thanksgiving 2024. So I made 2 sweet potato pies from scratch, crust and all. Same thing here with the pecan pie. Another sweet potato pie. We have the green beans, which is made with fresh green beans, of course. The macaroni and cheese from scratch. The only thing that's out of can is the green peas right here. Aww. We have a pan of seafood cornbread dressing, a pan of regular chicken dressing. Got chicken gizzards in there too. Here's the homemade beef roast, the delicious and flavorful and soft dinner rolls. We have the candied yams. This ain't Bruce's yams, all right? And we have another pan of seafood cornbread dressing in the back, followed by another pan of the macaroni and cheese, and the best for last, the Thanksgiving turkey. And there we have it. All right, y'all, and that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed that food presentation. I know all that food looked delicious. Y'all probably was licking y'all lipping. Oh, let me not do that. But yeah, I know some of y'all probably was really looking. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. But I cooked 15 items this year, and knocked it out. Yeah, so that was great. I really enjoyed cooking the dinners and everything for this year. It was wonderful. Yeah. But anyways, gotta go. Uh, I just want to send a special thank you out to all my subscribers, the people that are non-subscribed, the people that's on Facebook and on Instagram, Twitter, everybody that has supported me throughout the last 10 years. Thank you all so very much for all of your support, for everything. Thank you, 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 thank you. I wish you all a very happy and safe Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much now. Don't go by to other people's house eating all their food. Have some for yourself. But anyways, let me stop joking with y'all. I hope y'all have a happy, safe, wonderful Thanksgiving time with your friends, family, whoever. And until next time, take care. And I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed, and safe Thanksgiving. Peace.